stage. Give it up for Woodrow the Inferno.
What the hell's going on, Kansas City? Woo! Can I hear you? How the hell are y'all doing? I'm single, I'm no emo friendly, but I'm an 8:30 sumbitch. We'll sign together tomorrow. I'll play fancy dress, and I'll check out that new law band. But I'm gonna whoop your ass if you ain't bed at 8:30, because I'm torquing your mom! There is that special someone out there for you that will make you act like a complete piece of white trash. They're out there. I've been there. And does cotton gin give you cotton mouth? I don't know. I haven't read this shit. I don't like gin any kind. Why are gay people so pushy and push people so gay? I don't know. Struggles of bipolar kid each day going out to his parents. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? I can see it be tough. You fucker. I'll take some Adderall or whatever else help you. Did I do a volunteer work for this diabetes fundraiser? Yeah, I go around, I'm pointing at everybody, I'm jumping up and down, I'm screaming at the top of my lungs, trying to raise awareness, of course. You insulin fools! You insulin fools! I can't help out there anymore. Fuckers. And down and out used to be hard up, but now it's a freeway where your balls rub. You want to screw up more little kids than Michael Jackson? I'm not saying that's cool. You go to every orphanage with a megaphone and you gotta say it with conviction. Hey! Hey, you little bastards! Hey, you little bastards! Got the head? Got the head complex? Screw up little kids, no. I know you don't want to. So, this would be better. My astrological readings said a whole horoscope, so I choose scopes in them. But I tried that. It led to a tranny and a caddy. It doesn't necessarily mean I was hot rodding the Coupe de Ville and the transmission won't let me go anywhere. It means I didn't give the transvestite hooker a very good crocodile Dundee handshake. It ended up in the truck, and I'm going back to the LGBT motherfucking customer service center. I got some issues, or it does. Well, I've been Woodrow.